Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling dark mode on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When in light mode, the user interface of your tablet can be too bright, especially at night. Dark mode can be a welcome relief for your eyes. Follow these steps to enable dark mode. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. Scroll down the settings and tap on Display. In the display settings, tap on Dark at the top right. Your tablet will immediately switch to dark mode. Apps that use the same theme of your system settings, such as Chrome, will also change to dark mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.